explode daemon. I might look at getting the multiplier. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit, like 0.8 is good. But I'm going to get this, I'm going to get my color key shift, and I begin to tell it to fade a little bit quicker. So that way we have the initial flash, and then it will begin to fade out or cool down to smoke. And that way, you know, here we can see it begins to cool out a lot more. I can also play with the scale if I want, and maybe make it a little bit bigger. Let's just try and see how that looks. Yeah, that looks a bit more natural. So again, we are working at a, I'll try a little bit smaller, but we are working at a very low res here, but it's just so that way we can get more quicker feedback. But now we have our explosion, shoots out, and we have the explode daemon working too. Now at this stage I'm going to render out just a quick render just to kind of see how it looks. I'm just going to create a camera first, position this pretty much where I'd like it. Let's say around here, so that way we just have the explosion kind of shooting out. And keep in mind it's not going to cast a shadow on the ground or anything, but we can at least kind of see where this is heading. So here I have, like, I've rendered about 32 frames of the explosion, and keep in mind this is more of like a large scale explosion that we're creating, but instantly we can see that we have the initial flash and then begins to fade out the smoke. And again, like I said, there are dozens of ways to build an explosion, but we're building this one very specifically for a specific reason.